Alright guys, how are you doing today? Steve Mingle, Final Web Design. Today's video, I want to show you the Switch 2 unboxing, setting up, and take a look at the games. So let's get into it. Finally here, the Switch 2 from Nintendo, and this is a brand new system that has just been released. So in the video we are going to be breaking down exactly how the system works, operates, and what is needed to play the games. And what you'll see here, let's just turn it on real quick, is that essentially it has more or less the same UI that was here before. But you can see that now there's games such as Cyberpunk, Street Fighter, the new Zelda update that have been done with enhanced graphics, enhanced performance, and just the overall presentation and how smooth. I mean, look at how quick it loads the Nintendo Online features as opposed to before. I mean, I would still be sitting here waiting for it to load, so it's pretty impressive. We're going to take a deeper look, so let's get into it.